Evening. So I am about to disgorge a bottle of sparkling red. What's that all about, you may ask? Okay, this is from Renegade Urban Winery in Bethnal Green. Warwick has sent this. Fantastic geezer. It's made from Grenache grapes from Valencia in Spain, which are hand-picked and brought in refrigerated trucks to the winery in Bethnal Green. Then it's fermented, made into wine, and then it's put in these bottles, and it's some more yeast and sugar, and it does its secondary fermentation in the bottle like a champagne. Now this is a special wine. You don't normally do this disgorging at home, but I'm going to do that because Warwick has done this from Renegade, and 10% of the money that's made from this wine goes to Hospitality Action, which is a fantastic cause. So you can see that there's the sediment here is in the bottom of the bottle. I'm going to attempt now to disgorge this, and let's see how it goes. It's going to get a little messy. Now I think that how we're going to do this is like this. Put my finger over there to stop it as I start to turn. Don't want to spray Anne, who's filming me now. I think that may have worked. Let's have a little look. Okay, got a little messy. That's okay. Let's see how it looks. This is looking good. Cheers.